Guys, let me do the live chatting. I think today is a very great way. It's a very great day. Let me have a look. Oh, this is very great. There is some very. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, Nvidia has a tendency to surpass the 130 pressure line today. Let me show you how to make money. Actually, today, feel free to propose an idea about what kind of stock we should buy today. But frankly speaking, I think if everything goes well, I think I will make profit on Nvidia very quickly. Also, I need to double check QQQ. QQ looks very great. Yeah. Yeah, you can see from the technical graph, Nvidia goes very well. So I will. Let me see. I will firstly purchase some Nvidia leverage stock, and I think it's going to work very quickly. It should work. For example, this is the tool I'm going to use. It's called NVDX, and the philosophy here is that I should, for example, I'm willing to purchase this ETF at this price. So it's 652. 652. Okay, get 652. The price is 652. It's around this range, and the price is something between, let me see, 16.50 or 16.61. Okay, maybe 16. Let's do 16.5. And let's purchase 500. Let's see. Should it still has a tendency to drop, so we can wait for maybe just a few minutes. Yeah, you can see, but it's very likely it'll goes back. Let me double check another graph. I need to check the, let me see, this one. Yeah, I need to check the 10 minutes graph to confirm that my claim was correct. You can see, yeah, they're very strong signal. Okay, I think it's time to enter. Let me quickly enter the game. Yeah, you know, it goes back. Did I purchase it? Let me check. I think it's a very, very, so it doesn't work. Let me do that again. I would definitely need to buy it. Let me see. Yeah, it succeeded. Okay, I purchased like 100 shares, but somehow like the previous order doesn't make sense. Yeah, it's strange. Yeah, let's wait for maybe 5 minutes to see what's the outcome of this trading. Yeah, it's not the perfect place to enter. I should enter. I think I place a limit buying here, but somehow it doesn't work. So I just manually put another buy order. Yeah, let's just wait for a few seconds to maybe just 5 to 10 minutes to see the outcome. I think it should be good. If it doesn't go well, then I will cancel this order. Yeah, I think 5 minutes is enough. Like 10 minutes. Yeah, by the way, I could introduce a very good way to monitor the profits. It's called long position. You just put something like this here. You will take profits when it goes something like 1%. I don't think maybe 0.5%, and you need to stop the loss when it drops to this number. Something like this. Like you need to ensure that the profit is higher than the potential loss. So if it goes to this, like the bottom of this region, then you need to set up an alert to inform you to sell the stock. Yeah, I think so far the candlestick goes very well. So I would definitely win this competition, like you can see here. Like I can just stop this position to finish today's live trading. Just something like 1% profits. But I think apart from this, because today's trend is very great, we can do something more interesting. Let me see. Let me look at QQQ. I think there should be a lot of opportunities today. The reason is, according to the AI, I've already mentioned a lot in the group chat, there are a lot of buying opportunities. So let me have a look at it. This week there should be a lot of buying opportunities. So let me make it a daily trading. I'm looking at the technology stock. We can see they are all doing a good job. I think, especially somehow Amazon today, there are a lot of Amazon and Meta. They have a great uptrends today. So let me have a look at Meta, Amazon. Yeah, Amazon goes well. Also Meta. Oh, it's very great, Meta. Oh my god. It's so cool. But I'm going to use the 1 minute graph to find some opportunities to enter. It's definitely not a good place to enter. Maybe just we should definitely wait for something like 10 minutes before we enter the Meta. The reason is it's overbought. But for Nvidia, oh, it drops. I think we should sell at that time, but it's okay. We don't have to do too much. because if it doesn't drop below this line, it's safe to hold. Oh, it drops. It has a very big drop here. I think we have to sell it. Let me see. Yeah. Somehow. Let's just wait for this minute. If it passed, then if it drops below this line, and then we have to stop the loss. I think we lost some money right now. Yeah, we have to stop loss somehow. Let me do that. Sell all of them. Every time we do selling loss, we have to be very do that very quickly without any consideration. So, for example, for this trading, we lost some money, but it's very common. Then we will use another trading to make this money come back, something like that. Yeah, somehow it looks like a fluctuation. Yeah, this is a very great example to show you how to fix a problem that we have. History. Let me check how much money we lose. Yeah, you can see we lose around 100 US dollar. Let me see. 68 US dollars, something like that. Yeah, definitely we will try to make it back, like make this money again. Yeah, you can see here it comes to the actually target price for me to enter the game. Yeah, so a mistake I make here is that I enter the game too early. We should not enter the game here. We should enter the game at this place. The reason is this is the kind of pressure line we should consider. Oh, maybe it's called supporting line. Let me see. Yeah, if given the 30 minutes trading window, let me do the trading again. 30 minutes. Amazon. Let me select something like 2 minutes window to see which stock has the opportunity. Kiki has have a very big job. Also Nvidia. Oh, all of them. In alphabets. But like basically all of them somehow someone are selling it. But it's okay. Like it's not a there. Oh, I'm thinking about it. Looks like the volume is not very big, but somehow the drop is very significant. For the short time frame, it's a negative signal. It's a little too negative. Maybe let's do something more interesting. Today there are a lot of I noticed people are querying about a game. It's called this one. Like this one, Black Myth. I'm thinking about it. Can we purchase some stock that is related to this? Let me see. Meta. Somehow Meta goes well. Meta doesn't suffer from such a drop. Oh, well, my bad. It suffers. But it's. I mean, we can purchase some game stock to celebrate the success of this game. I think this game was very, like, I played it. It's very awesome. Game. Let me ask ChatGPT what kind of game company we can purchase. Like, do some tests today. EA. Let me check. Not this one. This one. Yeah, I think because the game was very successful, maybe this is very like help this industry, like game industry, the star curve industry increase a little bit, something like that. Yeah, I think Nvidia is a good thing, a good stock for us to enter. It looks good, like this stock. Let me find a place to enter. Maybe this place. I'll put an alert here. Because as I said today, we lost something like 100 US dollar. Actually, yeah, you can say it goes back. But we need to find another place to enter the game to enter the stock market to make money. We don't want to lose money every day by any means. And you can see today's trend is definitely still bullish. The only mistake I make is I enter the game too early. That's my bad. The reason is, yeah, we definitely have to wait for it somehow like turn back to this pressure line to enter the game. But if we miss this opportunity, I need to find another opportunity. Let me look at EA. Amazon, Meta. Yeah, today's bullish trend is very strong. We can see. The reason is we only have. Let me see. Yeah, definitely. I think today it's going to be very safe for us to. Let me look at it. Especially, I think if given us another 1 hour graph, we will definitely have very clear view about today's trend. But now I would like to say definitely it's bullish, and we have to wait for time to enter the game. But the bad thing is there's no opportunity. Let me think about how to find an opportunity here. Looks like Microsoft and Meta has opportunity. Let me think about it. So Microsoft, Meta, I get idea. So if the Meta surpass this pressure line, I think we can enter. So I put an alert here. And because sometimes you can see Nvidia doesn't surpass the pressure line, we cannot enter. By the way, it drops. Yeah, it's a good thing. If it drops to this target price, we can enter it again. Oh, I get an alert from the EA. Let me check. Okay, yeah, it drops below this line, which was definitely great. I think, let me have a look at it. But the bad thing is the volume of EA was so small. You can see here only like several hundreds of purchase. So it's going to be a little challenging, but it's not so bad. Let me think about it. Yeah, I should be more conservative, I think, for EA. If it drops below this line, I will definitely enter. But I will definitely purchase some monitoring. Let me see, monitoring holdings on EA. Because we are doing bullish, so it's very simple. I just purchased its stock. As I mentioned, it's very safe to enter. The reason is it's on the uptrend and it's just triggered my alerts like just around 30 minutes, 30 seconds ago. So we can place a limit order using the lowest price here, like this one. Frankly speaking, I think the profit is going to be very small, but it's sorry, it's 100. But it's a great test. To show you that we can basically apply the same technical analysis to any stock we want to buy. And yeah, let's back to Nvidia. And yeah, you can see Nvidia drops to this price kind of again. Interesting. Let me see. I'm thinking about is this another great place to enter the game. Yeah, I'll try to make profit finally. I think it looks good to me. I think we can enter the game again somehow. The target price, you can see, yeah, like let me enter the game, try to enter the game using the lowest price we can have here. It's 16.0.5, 6.50. Let me see. Then yeah, we can place an order here. Okay, it's already the lowest price. I think let me watch the graph a little bit. Yeah, it still has the tendency to go to drop, but frankly speaking, I think if it doesn't drop below this line, I think it's still very safe to say there's a bullish trend. I think we should enter here now. Let me place the order. I will buy the Nvidia. I could tell you, for example, I think this is definitely a very good place to enter. I will buy 800, like 100, like 1000. This is a true time I want to enter the game. Let me double check. Double check the let me see, Nvidia 1 minute graph goes well. Maybe just wait for another 1 minute. I'm afraid it has tendency to drop again. Great. I've already put my order. Let's see whether we can buy it. Okay, I successfully purchased the Nvidia stock, and let's see what will happen. And let's check the EV, whether we success purchase. Okay, we successfully purchased it again. Let's just monitor how it goes. This is the second time we enter the game. This time is very important. I think, frankly speaking, the reason is if it surpasses the pressure line, that will be a huge important signal, which means it will goes up. But if it fails again, that will be very, very difficult. The reason is it was the second time it fails to surpass the pressure line. If that happens, in a 30 minutes window, it's very likely I need to close this position, because for 30 minutes window, if it fails to surpass this pressure line twice, we like it's a very dangerous signal for 30 minutes trading. But personally, I would definitely do a longer trading window time. I usually don't do 30 minutes window trading. The reason is it's too, the time frame is too small, which requires me to. It just has too little profits, and I prefer trade for a longer time, like something like 4 hours or in 1 day or even 1 week or something like that. And I think so far this holding helps us make some money, right? You can see here. The key point is we should enter at this very low price. I think I would like to let me somehow like when we're having the live in the stock really finished the uptrend, uh, so it's very like we are kind of wasting time in the fluctuation zone. So I'm thinking about can we find a stock that has opportunity, like has big fluctuations, something like that. Let's see. Let me see. Like EA is also in fluctuation range. Uh, that's interesting. Maybe let's look at a Bitcoin. It's very hard for us to. I mean, it's not easy to. Maybe in the future, I think we have to Coinbase had to come up with this automatic algorithm that can help us detect the assets that has big fluctuation. Yeah, you can see, oh, here is one for Bitcoin, big fluctuation for Bitcoin, but somehow we didn't do that. We didn't realize that there's an opportunity on Bitcoin, but it's okay. Let me see. I would like to say today there definitely be opportunities, definitely, but we just need to wait. And I don't think it's now. Maybe just maybe 10 minutes later or 20 minutes later, something like that. I can feel from the graph there are definitely opportunities because so far it looks like it drops again. Oh, drops again. I think I will stop loss again somehow. Let's just wait for this bar. Yeah, it happens like it fails to surpass the pressure line in the 30 minutes window, which means it's going to be. Let me think about. Actually, it's very normal fluctuation, like uh, drops by 0.4%. Yeah, this is even a better place to enter. As for this one, it has volume. Okay. It has volume. That's another good sign. Yes, we can see it's yeah, it's in a fluctuation region. That's we cannot do anything. The reason is if it's in such a region, then I let me have a look at it. It definitely goes back because of this candlestick. just waste our time a lot. Let me do the demo in this way. So I will quickly make money and I will sell it in to save everyone's time because it's a fluctuation rate region. It's not ideal for us to expect there are a large profits we can earn from the stock. For example, you want to earn 2%, it's not feasible. Like it will never happen. Um, but it just show you how we use the technique to take some very small profits, maybe not very big profits. Um, yeah, this is the market's trend for today's 30 minutes, I think. But if we have more time, if we wait for another 1 hour, I guess the market could change, which means there are much more fluctuation somehow. So let me see. So in order to make the demo successful, I will, yeah, like take profit as soon as possible. Let me check it. As you can see, we lose a little bit of money here. The reason is we enter the game at this place, right? At something like uh, something like five, something like 10 minutes ago. But somehow it doesn't goes back. I mean, it still has a slightly downturn. It's very normal. It's because it's fluctuating, which cause very small amount of loss on our assets. Um, but I think we can still wait for maybe just 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, you can see it comes here. Oh, okay, great. Yeah. We can sell it later. Because I don't want to waste time to wait for the fluctuation. Maybe let wait it to some profit like yeah 45%. It's more than what we lost, right? So let me pick up because we lose 85 $85, right? And we hope to make something like 0.4%. Oh, I think we just passed it, right? Yeah. Okay, you can see we already fix our problem and make money back. Cool. I think we finally we succeed today, and I will close my holdings to stop this demo. Yeah, I'm very glad that we get succeed again today. 6.6. Let me refresh it to know the latest highest price. Yeah, definitely we will earn money. So all I will use limit order. Great, like this. Oh, I can even sell it with higher price. Then I will do that. Okay, it even goes up. You can see here, right? Let me sell it with a higher price and sell all of them. And just review the order. Okay, and let's just submit it. I think it will be executed very soon. Yeah, very great. Looks like from the graph. Oh, look at the QQQ. My God. It's a big jump. So finally, yeah, we get this time. Like as I mentioned, today's trend is very bullish. We just need to wait for time to enter, and it goes to the direction as what we expected. And I think we already sell. I should be able to sell this. Somehow it doesn't sell. Interesting. Why? Let me replace the order somehow. I think I should be able to sell it. Yeah, I traded Nvidia just a few minutes. Oh, that's not. Yeah, feel free to leave your comments in the group chat because I think we finished today's main demo right now. And later I would like to do something more interesting. Let me think about it. Yeah, I think we already sell it somehow. I checked my account. I think the price, yeah. We already successfully sell it. That's cool. Today we still make some money. Like in the second trading, we get a successful, right? And you can see from here. I should admit, in the first try, we didn't make money. But in the first try, I just used half of the position, and then in the last try, I used full position, and finally, like pays out something like 200 US dollar. And in the first try, we lost around something like one 60 $100. So finally, we make 140 US dollar, which is good. I think like something like 1% return rate. Uh, yeah, our time get paid. Another thing about EA, I think it should go. Yeah, you can see it goes well, right? I can also sell it. This is another successful demo. I didn't want to hold this stock, but I just want to show you like how to enter the game. If you enter it at the correct time, it's very likely you will win the game. You can see just a very quick review. For the EA, I enter the game when it reaches this pressure line. Maybe this one, I think. Yeah, I think something like this one. It should be this one, yeah. Yeah, I remember it, like this one. So because I entered the game here, it's very safe for me to hold it, right? For 30 minutes period of time. And you can see later there is a golden cross. So yeah, so we definitely will earn money on this holding. I'm glad that we have two successful example today. I'll sell all of them. And the next demo I'm going to do